Hey there, everybody. This is Jacque Canada, JLA Realty. So the rates have dropped. I wanted to talk to you guys about refinancing due to the mortgage rate drops. So they're at an all-time low. We're looking at about a 3% interest rate on mortgages. Some lenders can get that below 3%, but we're looking right around 3%. So the big question for a lot of homeowners is, should I refi? So here's the question you got to ask yourself. How long are you staying in your home? Are you planning on staying longer than 5 years? If so, then maybe it is time to refi. Also, if your interest rate at the current time is more than 4.25%, you could benefit from refiing. One thing you have to keep in mind is there are closing costs when you refi. There's going to be a title search, so you have title fees. The lender has an origination fee and some other small fees that you would pay. And then also you'd have to have an updated appraisal of the property. So you have that fee as well. One thing you probably wouldn't have would be a survey, unless your survey is really old. Or if you've made a change on your property, if you've added a pool, the lender may require a new survey. Or if you've added a new kitchen outdoors or a new building, or changed any part of the structure that would show up on a survey, the lender may require a change to that. So again, if you're planning on staying more than 5 years, or if you're at 4.25% interest rate or higher, then you may want to look into refinancing. So maybe you're with one of the big banks, you're with Chase or Wells Fargo or one of the other big banks. My suggestion would be to talk with a mortgage broker. Sometimes they can get you a better rate than your bank. They also work off commission, so their job is to get the loan to closing, whereas at a bigger bank you have a lot of people who are paid hourly, and if they close it, they close it. So if you're thinking about refining, now is the time to do it, to get your rate locked in as low as you can. Also, if you're thinking about selling and buying, now is the time. The market is just really, really hot. We have a lot of buyers out looking right now because the interest rates are low, and it's a seller's market because there's not a whole lot of inventory on the market. So if you're looking to sell, give me a call, and let's get your house on the market and start preparing to look for you something once we go under contract. Also, if you're planning on selling within the next couple of years, but right now just isn't the time, and you were thinking about refining, you may want to hold off on that and just make extra payments towards your principal on your mortgage. You'd be amazed at how much your amount owed will go down if you're making those extra payments. I actually recommend everyone do that, whether you're planning on staying or refining later on. You should always make extra payments on your principal because it brings down how much you're being charged interest on. So anyhow, if you have any questions, just give me a call. I can hook you up with a mortgage broker who can help you through the refi process. And then of course, if you want to buy or sell, I am here to help you. Let's go look. Have an awesome day.